Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to build the Dan Fink's Speedwagon, the Monogram kit, 125 scale, and it is kit number 85-7606. And this kit was... there's no date on there. Let's see if it's on this side. Yep, there it is. 1996. So this kit right here is 30 years old. I've had it since 1996. And I guess it's finally time to build it. So stick around. I'll get all the parts laid out on the bench and see where we go from there. Alright guys, less than 2 minutes later, I've got everything laid out on the bench top here. Even the chrome. There's not a whole lot of high parts count in this one, but that's okay. What I did notice is on the instructions, I'll zoom in here for you, it actually has some information about the actual car. That's very cool. I always enjoy that stuff. And this is a Revell monogram kit. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. So alrighty, I will get everything cut off the trees here and get some paint ideas going, and I will be back when I have something to talk about. Thanks again for watching. I'll be right back, guys. So the body and the fenders are in paint. Be a little while. It'll clear up, dry up, and we'll get on to detailing the rest. Alright, quick update, guys. I have most of everything painted and separated out. I am very impressed with look at the fitment of the fender to the frame. Look how cool that is. I have no glue on there yet. It's just sitting on there. That's how well it fits. This kit, 1996. This kit was released. This version of it, at least, and I am impressed with it. I got to tell you, all the parts, like these parts here. The connection points were all on the insides. You can see that little white dot right there and right there. So I painted this while it was still on the tree, and when I clip it off, all those little white dots get hidden behind the frame, so I don't even have to touch them up. That's how impressive this kit is. Okay, just thought I'd share that with you. Apparently I'm impressed, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, so there's another step completed. Getting the outline of the wood in a kind of a tannish beige. I'll get the tape all peeled off of that. Then I have to tape everything off here and then paint the top with a black. And then the very end I will paint in some wood grain. So that's progress so far. Again, that's just sitting there, no glue or nothing. The pieces fit that well. I'm still so impressed. Engine's still coming along. Got other parts out of the paint booth. So we're moving right along. Okay guys, so quick update. Things are moving along. I am very impressed with this kit. Everything has gone together very well. The only issue I'm having so far out of the entire build is this little piece on the bottom. Let's see, I get a pointer here. This little piece right here where it connects to the steering gearbox, which is right below it. I'm just having trouble getting it to go down and stay down while the glue dries. Other than that, everything else has gone together perfectly. I'm very impressed. So alrighty, I should have all that done here quickly. There's the dash. There's the interior, kind of basic interior. You know, there's a little glimpse at the body. It'll be done in a minute. I got a feeling the biggest hurdle I'm going to face is mounting this little bracket here for the headlights, and then trying to get these little guys to balance on this little tab that's right there. So that'll be fun. So once I get that sorted out, I'll put it all together and we should be good. Yeah, there it is, folks. Dan Fink's Speedwagon Monogram kit, 125 scale. Came out decent. I enjoyed the heck out of building it, right up until the very last thing when the little chrome piece right here that spans across both fenders didn't fit, because the fenders, when they lay in there, they are too far apart. So I went ahead and took a piece of this wire right here and drilled holes in the fenders, and then drilled holes in the bottom of the headlights and stabbed them in there and glued them on, and that's the way it is. I chose not to put the side panels on the hood so that you can see the engine. I kind of like that look, kind of like they had right here in the box art. I thought that was pretty cool. Everything else, I enjoyed the heck out of it. The decals were deteriorated real easy, so I didn't get a chance to use the speedometer decal because it just fell apart in the water. So I just painted it. But that's that. Come out nice, and that's well, that's number 101. I'm not going to keep track of it, but I've been wanting to build this one since I purchased it back in 1996. So I finally got around to doing this one, guys. So keep the faith. There's always going to be time. So alrighty, folks. I hope you enjoyed that one. I had a blast building this one. Everything went together really well. Like I said, all except for that one little piece. So it's all good. So as always, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see everybody on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.